Welcome to Future Aspirants. Now we'll discuss 14 July 2021 current affairs. Nepal has signed a 1.3 billion US dollars deal with India to develop a 679 megawatt Lower Arun hydropower project. Nepal inks $1.3 billion mega deal with India to develop 679 megawatt hydropower project. The project will be developed under BOOT model. BOOT, Build, Own, Operate and Transfer model. This 679 megawatt hydropower project is the single largest foreign investment project in the country. Based on the 2017 cost estimates, Indian Navy received the 10th Anti-Submarine Warfare Aircraft. 10th Anti-Submarine Warfare Aircraft P-8I from the US-based aerospace company Boeing. Indian Navy receives 10th Anti-Submarine Warfare Aircraft P-8I from the US-based aerospace company Boeing. The Defense Ministry has signed a contract for 8 PI aircraft in 2009. However, later in 2016, it signed a contract for 4 additional PI aircraft, whereas the remaining 2 aircraft are expected to be delivered in the last quarter of 2021. Total 12 aircrafts. Headquarters of Boeing, Chicago, United States. Founded on 15 July 1916. President and CEO of Boeing, David L. Calhoun. Former Indian cricketer, Yashpal Sharma, who was a member of the Indian team that won the 1983 Cricket World Cup. 1983 Cricket World Cup has passed away. The Punjab-born cricketer has represented 3 teams in Ranji, including Punjab, Haryana and Railways. Yashpal Sharma, former Indian cricketer, passed away. He belongs to Punjab. Nepali Congress President Sher Bahadur Dube on 13 July became the country's Prime Minister for the 5th time. He became the Nepalese Prime Minister for 5th time. He is replacing KP Sharma Oli. Previously, Dube served as Nepal's Prime Minister 4 times. Capital of Nepal, Kathmandu. Nepal currency, Nepalese rupee. Nepal President, Bidya Devi Bandari. Prime Minister of Nepal, Sher Bahadur Dube. The renowned American professional wrestler Paul Orndorff, who is best known with his nickname Mr. Wonderful, has passed away. He was one of the professional wrestling's biggest stars of 1980s and was famous for his appearances with the World Wrestling Federation and World Championship Wrestling WCW. He was inducted into the WWE Hall of Fame in 2005. Former wrestler Mr. Wonderful, known his nickname, has passed away. Deepak Kabra has become the first Indian to be selected for judging the gymnastic competitions for the Olympic Games. He will be seen officiating the men's artistic gymnastics at the Tokyo Games, which gets underway on July 13th. Deepak Kabra becomes first Indian gymnastic judge at Tokyo Olympics. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has unveiled a statue of Mahatma Gandhi in Georgia at a prominent Tbilisi park. Jaishankar held talks with the country's top leadership and also handed over the relics of 17th century Queen Ketevan. Queen Ketevan was a 17th century Georgian queen. Capital of Georgia, Tbilisi. The Badminton World Federation has allotted the Badminton World Federation World Championships to India for 2026. India to host World Badminton Championships in 2026. This will be the second time that India will host the premier tournament. India has hosted the WBF World Championships in Hyderabad in 2009. In 2026, India will host World Badminton Championship. Badminton World Federation President Paul-Eric Hoyer-Larsen. Badminton World Federation Headquarters Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO is getting back into launch activity fully at Sriharikota Spaceport with the planned orbiting of Geoimaging Satellite GISAT-1 on August 12th. Chairman of ISRO K. Sivan, headquarters located at Bangalore, Karnataka. ISRO established on 15th August 1969. ISRO plans to launch Geo-Imaging Satellite GSAT on August 12th. Home Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated the Research-Based Center of Excellence at National Forensic Science University in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The Research-Based Center of Excellence at the National Forensic Science University in Gandhinagar will help our youths to become free from the addiction of drugs and narcotics. Amit Shah inaugurates Center of Excellence at National Forensic Science University in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. A book titled The Great Big Lion, drawn and written by child prodigy Chrysius Knight. This book is a story about a lion and two children. It talks about friendship, inclusivity, wildlife conservation, and the world of imagination. The book was published by Penguin Random House, India's Puffin imprint. The Great Big Lion. Thank you.